career point. So here is an opportunity from Global Payments Company for the position of Associate Software Engineer, location Hyderabad. So you can see the details here. Company details are mentioned. I can go through it, and a summary of the role summary is also mentioned. Develop basic code using in a front or back end programming language within a platform as directed for internal and external client software solutions. So what we are looking for this role: BSc in computer science, bachelor's degree in CS computer science or IT. So no experience is required. So you can see here the freshers can apply for it. No experience is required. Required qualifications: bachelor's degree in computer science and IT, business or management information systems. So this is the information from the company. You can apply for it. So knowledge of OS, database, backend technologies. So all details are given: machine learning, Python, R, MATLAB, TensorFlow. So those who are having this knowledge on this technologies, they can apply for the position. The link is given in the description box, and if you are interested, you can apply, and also share to your friends and like the video without fail for better reach. And similarly, you can see the many placements and internship opportunities are already posted in the channel. So that playlist is already given in the description box. You can search for suitable opportunity and apply. Thank you.